Okay, so I basically was able to fare these all out. Repairs. I went and got some auto paint, put in a spray can, and spray this on here just for effect, I guess you could say. Pretty sure that the paint that's on here is Teflon, since it's kind of peeling away rather than sanding away. So it's not perfect. In order to be perfect, you'd have to paint the whole bow over again, or indeed get more Teflon paint, because I'm actually pretty sure Teflon doesn't even stick to Teflon. But either way, you can see the second repair over here. Got paint. And this other one over here has got paint. Again, doesn't look great, but it's sealed up, and you can throw it in the water, you know. So you can do that, and if ever you want to go ahead and just paint the bottom, I can spend a little more time on, you know, making it perfect and level. I didn't use any primer or anything like that, so those things count when it comes to a finish. So goodbye, Ski Supreme. You're all done.